Hey, before we get started and jump in, I just wanted to let you know that in a short while, Udemy is going to be asking you for a review. It's a little too quick for my taste, actually way too quick, because there's so much to the course that is offered, and there's so much more information that we're going to go over that when they ask the review, it's really the most absolute inopportune time. So, when it comes to that point, if you have enjoyed the course, and of course think that everything's enjoyable, you've gotten your money's worth at that point, then leave a review, fine. But I ask most of you really to hold off till the end, get the big picture. There's going to be a lot of, eureka, bright idea, light bulbs going over your head, some, moments that are going to click, and it's all going to fit together like a puzzle piece. And again, once you really know most of what we're going over, the best stuff is really covered at the end. So that's the second time that they're going to be asking you. Once you've completed 100% of the course, that's really the best time to leave your review. If there's anything that you see where I can probably improve this course, make it better, let me know, message me, reach out, so that way I can improve the course and raise your review. That's what this is all about. I want to make the absolute best course, not only for you, but for every future student as well that's going to be taking this course along with you. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on in, shall we?